This is given that I'm that girl hair. Sensational came through on this one. Y'all know I'm always coming for Sensational's next, but girl, Sensational did what they were supposed to do with this unit. That's all I can say.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Watch what you say when I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Drop you stay so you know I'm around. Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Beat off negativity to remedy their fun. I can sense the jealousy and hate inside the lungs. Okay, I'm stepping inside your house, betting I'm kicking my feet on your couch, checking your cushions and clearing you out, setting my dishes up under your spout, standing your bedding and wearing it out, messing your threading and airing it out. I've been expelling and came here to gouge, letting you sweat your regret with a slouch. Came out the dirty, no Oscar the grouch. I'm disrespecting and spreading my clouds, dreading I'm flexing in front of your spouse, getting you pressed like a fruit by the ounce, testing your patience and stressing you out, vetting your basement and testing your doubt. Rip up your pavement, I'm tearing this down, give up a statement and smearing you now.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Sensational What Lace collection. I'm wearing it in the style Davina and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked. It does come with 13x6 HD lace parting space, and it does come with baby hair. So let me just show y'all what the hairline's looking like on this one. So y'all, the hairline is finally hairlining again. Like Sensational, I feel like has been inconsistent lately when it comes to their units as far as it being like the old What Lace collection that we knew and loved, but I feel like they are bringing it back because this one is given what it should be given when it comes to the hairline, when it comes to the baby hairs. I definitely have no complaints. As far as the texture on this one, it's coming off a mixture of a very, very light yucky and definitely silkiness for sure. I would absolutely qualify this unit as a special occasion only hair. I had to go in with some of my hair polish, the silicone laminator, to just try to maintain the curls and get them back down, because the more that you finger comb it, it does get that frizziness, which is kind of like I'm kind of in the middle about feeling, because yes, it does give that natural vibe, but it was just getting a little bit too big for me, so I did go in with that silicone laminator as well as with my mousse just to redefine the curls, because I didn't like the fact that it was frizzing up so quickly and so easily. So that's just something to note, but the texture and the length itself definitely is giving me the vibe that this is absolutely going to be a special occasion unit. I couldn't see wearing this unit every day and actually getting it to last a good amount of time, so definitely just be aware of that. Like I just mentioned, the length on this one is pretty long, y'all. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it definitely comes below my boob. The density on it, this is all the hair to the front, and the density is sitting about 150%. I do feel like if you were to finger comb these curls out, though, you could absolutely get 180% vibe, because this is like a good amount of hair for sure. The hair quality and nothing like that is not trash, just the style and the quality of the hair itself just leads me to believe that this hair is gonna last super long, but I'm not really mad about it because I really do like the look that it's given me. Like, yes, like I'm kind of actually liking it more than the stock card, to be honest. This is giving like slam, glam, thank you, ma'am vibes. I want to say the cap size itself on this one is definitely small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. My head is on the smaller side. It's about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and it's fitting my head perfectly. I'm not worrying about no slippage. I was able to get it to go ear to ear for sure, so that was super good. But I do think if you have a larger size head, as far as you being able to take advantage of the ear to ear, you may have an issue with that. You could definitely take advantage of this front portion because the cap does have a bit of stretch to it, but as far as taking advantage of the full ear to ear, I think that would probably be an issue for you, just to get it to kind of tack down and not slide back on you, just because like I said, the cap doesn't have a super amount of stretch. This unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, and I did have to go in with some heat. I'm noticing like a little humpy jumpy going on, and of course, yes, it's a curly unit, so that's probably something to just be aware of. So I just went in with my curling wand on about, I think 340, just to kind of flatten it out some. And I feel like it does still need flattening for the most part, but like it's still cute. I could still make it work. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only semi-con I want to say is the fact that even though it is a beautiful unit, the fact that I feel like you can only kind of get away with wearing this as a special occasion unit based on the texture and everything. I don't see this unit lasting super long, so I feel like if you're getting this for a look to go do something, yes, this is going to be it. But if you plan on wearing this as your everyday hair, I would say stray on the side of caution and don't necessarily pick this one up having that in mind, because I think it's going to be a waste of your money if you get this hoping to wear it every day. But that's going to be my only con when it comes to this unit. My pros are going to be like, look at the curls. Like, this is given that I'm that girl hair. Like, this is beautiful. Like, this is beautiful. I can't even imagine how long this would take to do like on your own natural hair. So the fact that you get this in a wig, yes, I'm absolutely here for it. I'm here for the style, the curl pattern, the density is beautiful. The fact that it's 13x6 HD lace, so you do get that versatility to wear it in different styles. I'm loving the hairline because they're doing what they should be doing. The lace, this time around, I don't know what y'all did. The lace doesn't look any different, but I feel like I didn't have to deal with that normal what lace white cast on my darker skin. So I love the lace, I love the hairline. As a whole, I feel like this unit is super cute, and I'm happy that this is not gonna be another video of me coming at Sensationals next, because like, you know, like, I don't got anything personally against them, but you know, I just need for them to be doing what they should be doing, and this unit was doing what it should be doing, so I'm here for it. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.